Alright, so
Mommy's gonna get her face painted too. I'm gonna be Mario and Luigi's princess. I forget what her name is.
Hey, everybody, you want to come sing happy birthday?
Oh, let's do the birthday time.
Yeah.
Here's a quick crown.
Okay.
Quicker!
I'm gonna take a little bit.
Quicker! Quicker!
Yeah, that was the first call.
Quicker!
It's always like 1 second before the cake actually gets lit up.
Of course we do.
Awesome. Oh, I think they're doing
Are they really doing it? Oh, go for it. Go.
Yeah, let's go. Happy birthday singing.
Bye!
Alright, it's getting lit so quickly.
Get lit. I love it. Everybody's just going for one. Perfect. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruby.
I found it. Well, this one, the baby's playing with it. Drew's playing with it, but
Well, are we being princess? I'm not that.
that's right. We're sidekicks. We're gonna go do the go-kart racing, Mario race kart.
Yeah, but Mama, remember how we
I'm listening.
remember how I'm gonna get the Mario track for Christmas.
I don't know. Is that what you're gonna ask Santa for?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him for that.
You've gone through a lot of things.
He's mentioned it a few times today, though.
Yeah, I think that's been like the newest. After the $170 Hot Wheels one.
Alright, and then after this, we're gonna get Ethan home, okay? Alright. Oh, I see your little box. I'm gonna give it to Ruby. That little table.
Yeah, I think that might be.
Oh, Levi, you got a cupcake? Are those gluten-free?
Look at you.
No, I think she must have done the cake gluten-free because Ruby's gluten-free. Levi eating, num num. Oh, good job. But that's all.
thank you.
I gotta take the cup.
Working. Okay.
Here, Calvin, grab him a plate, will you?
Oh, Grace is still for this one.
Star plate.
Okay, Levi, grab a plate, buddy, and I can give you your
Artist.
An
Artist.
He says, give it to me. I want to play with something. Yeah, grab one of those, Levi.
Sweet girl.
Oh, she's an explorer for sure. Okay, sit up here and I'll give it to you. Can you sit high up in the chair? Oh, Drew got her fingers in it. Hey, Andy, do you want to give me a napkin for Drew's fingers? This is Levi's, but Levi, okay, good job. Sit up there.
She's like, I'm going for it.
Can you
I like the
oh,
lips
wait,
of that.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
She's gonna
Here,
taste
you want me
it.
to take her?
Oh, you can, yeah, no problem. She can sit with me if you're doing
Sure?
stuff. Yeah, it's totally fine. I just was giving him
She's
this
just
and she
having a
reached
little
for it, so.
cake.
We got out of your cast. Is that okay?
Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, I'll take a napkin on my knee. Okay, Levi's got it. I'm afraid he's gonna drop this. I'm trying to set him. Thank you. I'm trying to set him up.
You hold. I'm holding the plate.
Are you sitting?
You hold really still for just a second.
Okay.
You'll be good.
All right. Pull the wrapper off, buddy.
You're a true princess.
I know, right? Super mom. That was my Halloween costume. Oh, thanks.
Let's see. Where's
Oh,
here?
thanks. Oh, that's so awesome. I love it. Thank
Okay.
you.
Hey, Luigi, can you come over here and get a picture with the princess? We gotta get. Come here, Luigi.
You want to?
Here, stick your head in here. All right.
Ready?
That's cute.